Why? Weren't you not feeling sick?
I was feeling a little sick, but I'm still
Come on, come
coughing.
get some soup, man.
I'm still coughing. When I get
Okay.
some rest for tomorrow, I'm gonna
Yeah.
feel much better.
Yeah, you're gonna get rest for tomorrow, but I'm gonna give you some soup, okay? I'm
Okay.
gonna give you your corn and stuff. I can't bother with learning. I can't bother. How many corn you want? Two?
Yes, please.
You want chicken foot?
No.
Want chicken foot? Just the corn alone?
No.
And I'll give you some carrots.
Yeah.
Give you a little bit of soup so it helps your throat, okay?
Okay.
You have to drink it, because it's gonna help your throat, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Can you hold it? All right, let me put it down. I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move it, guys. I used to be a server when I was in college, so I can handle hot things. But now that I'm getting older, oh gosh, I think my hands is not as can hold hot food like that anymore. So let me put something under my hand just for now, because what you want cow skin, Daniel? You want corn? You don't like potato, you don't like cocoa. All right, guys, let me get her some soup. Ooh. See this? Delicious. Jamaican Overseas Kitchen. Here's your soup. Yep. Use the fork. Come, put it in here. Put it in there. Put it in a plate. Put it in a plate. See? Hold it and eat it. Okay? I'm sure Papa soup now. I'm gonna move it to the party line. Beat it, beat it. I'm gonna move it to the electric slide. You can do it. Anybody want a bowl of soup? Let me know, yeah? You want a bowl of soup? Let me know. Let me make your soup. Let me make your soup for you.
You don't really, yours is pretty good, but why is it so hot?
Why is it so hot?
Yeah.
Because of soup. You want it to be cold?
No.
All right, guys. I'm gonna turn off the pot, because this joint is hot. Alright, here you go. Yes. Delicious. Delicioso. Papa? Delicious, guys.